Today I'm taking a look at the VEVOR screw and bolt extractor set. So we got our instructions, and it does give us a basic example of how to use it. Okay, so I do appreciate that this set does actually come with those drills, and these are all left twist drills, which is important because what that means is that if you're drilling in and it grabs, it could actually spin that screw out. If they're right twist drills, they could actually just sink it further in, so glad that they included that. They do appear to have a coating on there to make them last a little bit longer, and they are labeled on the shaft. So this is our largest one that goes up to a 1/2 inch of high-speed steel. So we got our spiral screw extractors, we got our hex extractors, so these are going to be a little bit different, where these are going to be more for grabbing onto and biting and actually like driving teeth into that screw. This one's going to be more for grabbing it in such a way that it's going to optimize pulling that out without as much damage. And that can be really important if you don't have access to something like an anvil where you can actually take this guy and drive it out. So basically this is a very tight tolerance, and you can see how the teeth are aligned on there. It's going to provide more contact on the left twist. And then we have our stubby extractors and our long extractors. So these are labeled. It even tells you that this is going to be for the 9/32 drill, so you don't have to guess. That is very nice. We do have our hex on there, so you can grab that with a wrench. And on the long extractors, we do have a square end on there, so you can grab that with a tap handle, or you can grab that with an adjustable wrench. So the stubbies I find that I go to for most applications just because they're a little bit more rigid, but if you need to get deeper inside, like if you need to pull out something like a set screw, then these long ones are definitely going to be the version that you want. And you can see that we have quite a bit of variety in our sizes. We do also have an impact driver as well as an adapter. So this is a 1/2 inch to 3/8. So if you want to use one of these socket extractors, we can drop that in there, and you can use that with a 1/2 inch ratchet. What's nice about this is that all of these are going to be 3/8, so you don't have to worry about grabbing this if you don't need to. And then our impact driver adapter is basically going to do the same thing, but with that, we can attach that to a drill or an impact driver. Typically, I always want to do this by hand, but it's nice to know that they gave us that as an option. And for those extractors, those are also labeled. We got everything from a 1/4 inch to a 3/4 inch. And for those hex extractors, we got everything from a 1/4 inch up to a 19 millimeter. So here I have a bolt head that is naturally round. I'll take my extractor, drop it on there, give that a smack. And she comes right out. So we can see that gripped into that, no problem. So how do we get that off? Sometimes you can just tap it. And if that doesn't work, you grab a punch, you just push it right through there, and you can punch the bolt right out. Here you can see the damage that is on that head, and very little damage on that socket. So I'll be able to put that guy away, reuse it, no problem. This is what makes these cool. So you can see if I fit my bolt head in there, if we turn it to the right, it'll kind of slip, but if we turn it to the left, you can see how it's grabbing it right on the edge right there. So instead of grabbing it on the corner, it's actually grabbing it further onto the head. So even if that corner is rounded off, this guy can still grab it. So very handy type of extractor if you want to be able to grab it and you don't want to have to deal with popping these things off when you're done. Very uncommon style to see with a set like this, but I'm very glad that they included it. So overall, that is an awesome set.